I'm going to be showing you how to get rope dart skills in Where Winds Meet. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So there are two main ways to unlock rope dart martial arts skills, and the first one is pretty easy. It is by joining the 9 Mortal Ways sect. So in order to join that, the first thing you need to be doing is going to Harvestfall Village, which is northwest of the main map. Just look at the top left where you can see your map and just look at the northwest. So it's probably around this region right here. So you just need to be checking on the northwest side, and you need to find the 9 Mortal Ways sect NPCs and complete their recruitment quest. This usually involves talking to key NPCs and fulfilling tasks. So once accepted in the 9 Mortal Ways, you automatically unlock the rope dart martial arts. And the second way is through skill tapped quest, which is an alternative unlock. So if you don't want to join a sect, you can steal these skills instead. You just need to be able to equip a rope dart weapon, which you can buy one early from peddlers like Shongda at Heaven's Pier, and head to Kaifeng and find a non-Mortal Ways training hall and you can steal it. So there you go, that's how you get rope dart skill. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.